Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, tax filing season is approaching in India and other countries too. So if you're filing in India, you should know that how to submit a grievance if you really have to. So what you need to do is like log in into your I'm showing you through income tax portal e-filing website. So when you log in on this home page, you have a link of grievance, right? If you go to this drop down, you're gonna see this option submit grievance. I'm showing you in the form of screenshots because some details I have to remove for privacy. Here, you have four departments: CPC, ITR, e-filing, AO, CPC, TDS. A is like assessing officer, ITR is for income tax return, TDS like for TDS platform. Like you can click on these arrows to find out what more they handle so that you can select a relevant option. Once you select a department, for example, here I selected AO, you'll get category and subcategory in the drop down. So you need to go there and select the option that is relevant to your case why you are raising the grievance, and then you are got to click on continue. So it will generate more field. Description is mandatory, at least 100 characters you have to enter, and of course at the bottom you're going to see documents. Now based on your case you need to attach documents. In some cases it may not be required to, and then you submit a grievance. You will get an email confirmation, and then the department will take a look at it, and then according to your case situation, processing will uh, proceed. So that is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.